Maryland is often called America in miniature, thanks to its varied landscape and diversity of cultures and attractions. But while the state may be small, its sprawling shorelines, lively cities, and historical sites make it an ideal vacation destination. So Travel Tenant made a list of best places to visit in Maryland. Also going to share some tips on what you can do there after visiting those best places in Maryland. So without further delay, let's start the video. Number 1. Baltimore Inner Harbor. Baltimore's famous Inner Harbor is a short 30-minute drive from the Wayside Inn, making for an easy day trip into the city. Whether you like to soak in a bit of history or simply want a night out on the town, there are plenty Baltimore Inner Harbor attractions to choose from. You can take a harbor cruise. A few options are out there for taking cruises around the harbor. Watermark Cruises offer harbor and beyond trips on the 65-foot Big Red boat. You can do shopping and dining in the Pratt Street. Located in the heart of the Inner Harbor, Baltimore, on Pratt Street, the gallery offers tons of shopping, dining, and a variety of entertainment right on the picturesque waterfront. The National Aquarium in Baltimore is located in Baltimore's famous Inner Harbor, overlooking the Chesapeake Bay. It spans 250,000 square feet and has water capacity of more than 2.2 million gallons. It is home to more than 17,000 animals from more than 750 species of fish, birds, amphibians, reptiles, and mammals living in the award-winning habitats. Number 2. Deep Creek Lake Area. The county's most popular tourist attraction, Deep Creek Lake, is a hub of activity. At 3,900 acres, Maryland's largest freshwater lake is a part Mother Nature and a part human ingenuity. 1,000 men began construction on November 1, 1923, and 2.5 years later, in May 1925, the electric plant began operation. The lake is 75 feet at the deepest and has 65 miles of shoreline. Today, Deep Creek Lake is owned by the state of Maryland and is managed by the Department of Natural Resources, Maryland Park Service. One of the most popular activities on the lake is boating and water sports. The northern tip of the Deep Creek Lake is also known as McHenry Cove. Heading south and west of the Deep Creek Lake Bridge, this cove of the lake features the dam and is completely residential. People like this cove for fishing and relaxing. Vacation to Deep Creek Lake have many options when it comes to lodging. Local hotels and motels are located around the lake area. There are camping opportunities as well as rustic cabins at local parks. Number 3. Chesapeake and Ohio Canal National Historical Park. 184.5 miles of adventure preserving America's early transportation history, the C&O Canal began as a dream of passage to western wealth. Operating for nearly 100 years, the canal was a lifeline for communities along the Potomac River as coal, lumber, and agricultural products floated down the waterway to market. Today, it endures as a pathway for discovering historical, natural, and recreational treasures. Hundreds of original features, including locks, lockhouses, aqueducts, and other canal structures, are reminders of the canal's role as a transportation system during the canal era, which peaked in the mid-19th century. Today, recreationists of all types can enjoy the mostly level, continuous trail through the spectacular scenery of the Potomac River Valley. The pathway is primarily surfaced with a crushed stone, although there are some sections with varied surfaces such as dirt towpath. Every year, millions of visitors hike or bike the C&O Trail. Peak season is from May through October. Number 4. Ocean City Broad Walk. Day or night, there's always something happening, and quite often it's free. Amusement and arcades are fun for the children of all ages. Catch a spectacular view from the top of one of the Ferris wheels. And one more thing, don't forget to stop by one of the many arcades and play to win. Are you hungry? You won't be for long. Choose from famous Maryland crab cakes or delightful Delmarva fried chicken. Tear into a delicious cheeseburger or savor a smoky pit beef. Enjoy fresh baked pizza or the famous French fries. With Ocean City dining, the menu is almost endless. And that's before you get to dessert. There's luscious saltwater taffy, sweet caramel popcorn, thick creamy fudge, rich ice cream, fresh and hot funnel cakes, cotton candy, and chocolate covered strawberries. After a broad walk meal, you will be ready to shop, and you will find plenty of opportunities along the broad walk and on many side streets as well. Number 5. Six Flags America. Six Flags America Entertainment Corporation, more commonly known as Six Flags or as Six Flags Theme Parks, is an American amusement park corporation headquartered in Texas. It has properties in Canada, Mexico, and the United States. Six Flags owns more theme parks and water parks combined than any other amusement park company in the world, and has the 7th highest attendance in the world. In 2019, Six Flags properties hosted 32.8 million guests. acquired in the Premier Park still, formerly known as Adventure World, and before that, Wild World. Number 6. Annapolis. Annapolis has a thriving historic district with shops and restaurants along the waterfront. Most of the buildings are original 17th, 18th, and 19th century with brick-lined streets. Tourism from the surrounding Baltimore and Washington, DC metro area is a major part of the town's life. One could easily spend a day walking around the town's downtown harbor area shopping and eating. There is also a lively nighttime scene. The first place you should stop in when you are in Annapolis is the Visitors Center. The most economic way of enjoying Annapolis would be getting around on foot. There are plenty of parking spaces available during less crowded times, such as during the winter months and weekdays after work hours. Tourist maps are also available at many downtown establishments, usually highlighting map sponsors as place to visit, but also including most places of interest as not to scale reference. Any local Annapolitan would be more than happy to give short directions or even a tip on where to eat. During the busier time, a parking place will be a bit harder to find, but patience is usually rewarded. Uber is also a safe, affordable and reliable option to get around town. Number 7. Assateague Island. Assateague Island is a great vacation destination within easy reach for many East Coast residents. Sightseeing cruises, kayak tours, crabbing, bird watching, fishing, hunting, biking and other activities continually make this a paradise for visitors that enjoy outdoor recreation. Assateague Island has over 37 miles of beautiful beach. This is considered one of the best beaches on the entire East Coast. Don't forget to search for the seashells as you walk the pristine white sands. You can also enjoy the swimming in the picturesque waves along the Atlantic coastline. The Assateague Lighthouse is on the way to the beach and it is one of the most famous in the nation. Number 8. Swallow Falls State Park. Swallow Falls is an incredible area for exploring the great outdoors. This destination is popular among both locals and visitors, with activities like hiking, camping, picnicking, swimming, and fishing. You can easily spend an adventurous day at Swallow Falls State Park. When you arrive, the most popular thing to do is to hike down to the waterfalls. Once you start down the trail, you can hear the roaring water. The trail continues for about 1.25 miles and has various terrain including level pathways, stairs, and some rocks. There are 3 waterfalls located along the trail, each varying in size. Muddy Creek Falls is a 53 feet tall and is Maryland's highest free-falling waterfall. Another hiking trail is located in the park. The trail is 5.5 miles long and connects the park with Harrington Manor State Park. There is parking available at both ends of the trail, making it easy to plan your trip. In the warmer months, you can go for a swim in the river and around the base of the waterfalls. Even you can swim behind the waterfalls for a whole different point of view. Number 9. Antietam National Battlefield. Antietam National Battlefield is located in western Maryland, 10 miles south of Hagerstown in Washington County. The best place to start your visit is at the Park Visitor Center. They have brokers exhibits, a film, a museum store, and park rangers and volunteers on duty to help you get oriented. The battlefield is approximately 3,000 acres that you can explore in your car or by walking. Antietam is considered one of the best preserved battlefields in the country. The historic landscape provides opportunities to see and understand how terrain affected the soldiers' experience during the 12 hours of combat in September 17, 1862. From the Dunker Church to the Bloody Lane, from Burnside Bridge to the National Cemetery, Antietam is a place to reflect on the sacrifices made during the nation's greatest struggle. Be sure to stop by the Park Visitor Center to begin your visit. Number 10. Frederick. Here, museums meet martini bars, scene landscape provides thrill speakers with adventure, and cutting-edge cuisine is served up in the Civil War. There are buildings alongside unique specialty shops, galleries, museums, and theaters. Located less than 1 hour from Washington, D.C., Baltimore, and Gettysburg, the city of Frederick, Maryland is surrounded by mountain views, wineries, orchards, and vibrant Main Street communities. Visitors can hike the Appalachian Trail, visit Maryland's largest brewery, and tour the battlefield all in one day. This is Frederick County, where hip meets historic every day. Make long-lasting memories in Frederick. Explore a wide variety of impressive artwork in downtown Frederick. Number 11. Chesapeake Bay. To begin your exploration, select one or more quintessential Chesapeake Bay towns as the starting point of your adventure. Each town has its own personality and displays a distinct mood. Charming main streets with locally inspired architecture lure you to pursue unique shops and galleries where you will be greeted by friendly staff. Seafood restaurants entice with the aroma and flavors of the day's fresh catch. Along the way, you will find the waterfront access where you can sail on the historic oil-string vessels or charter boats. There are several lighthouses you can tour. These beacons have protected marines for centuries from the notorious shallow bay waters. Number 12. Patapsco Valley State Park. Patapsco Valley State Park is the best summer day trip because there's just so much to do. The park extends along 32 miles of the Patapsco River, encompassing 16,043 acres and 8 developed recreational areas. While you are there, you will have dozens of opportunities for hiking, fishing, camping, canoeing, horseback, and mountain bike trails, as well as picnicking. The trails and scenery have put Patapsco Valley State Park on the national map too. With 170 miles of trails, 70 of those miles are mountain trails. You will never run out of hiking or multi-use trails to explore. The Patapsco Valley State Park preserves precious local natural landscapes and creatures, true, but it also protects numerous historic sites and deep roots in the regional past. At Patapsco Valley State Park, there are all requisite outdoor fun activities you would expect from a day outdoors. Paddling and tubing, picnicking, fishing, swimming, with the added bonus of tons of free programs. Number 13. National Harbour. National Harbour is an ideal destination for individuals, couples and families. Located along the Potomac River on 350 acres, the waterfront development holds more than 160 shops, 40 restaurants and 8 hotels, as well as multiple entertainment venues and options for water-focused adventures. Soar 180 feet in the air on the area's only observation wheel, which spins right on the waterfront. The Capital Wheel features 42 climate-controlled gondola cars that seat up to 8 and circle every day and night of the year, providing stunning views of Alexandria via DC's Monument and Potomac River. From May through September, head to boating in DC's National Harbour location and rent a kayak and stand-up paddleboard to enjoy the Potomac River. Murals, statues and other works of art from renowned local and national artists pepper the landscape at National Harbour. On the wide, walkable streets in the National Harbour waterfront district, you will find more than 65 shops, including boutiques and specialty stores. So here we have completed the best places you can visit in Maryland. Hope you guys liked this video. If you do so, then give a thumbs up to this video. We have more 6 places, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. And also suggest some more places where you want us to create videos on. Till then, it's Travel Tenant signing out.